Hey, I am Double. I'm from France, and the beginning when I'm going to music, I'm kid. When I'm kid, my mother know more musician. Is more zouk. Is the style from France. The zouk music, and my mother know musician and. The friend of my mother come in my house and make music in my house, and me I'm kid, what is it, what and hey, come play with us, and take me instrument, percussion, and play with us, and after I want to make music and I'm play music at 16. At 16, I make real music on the computer and the keyboard. Wow. It's difficult question, but I have more influence and on different style, and for my music is the best band is for me is Bar-Kays. My best influence is Bar-Kays, Clear, and more pop music is Imagination. Yeah, I have more inspiration, but my focal is Bar-Kays and Clear. Keyboard. Principalement keyboard. I'm not a real good player guitar and bass, and but I'm use keyboard for play guitar. I have little sample, 80s little sample of old keyboard or guitar, and on my song you listen just the keyboard, the bass keyboard, just keyboard. The compilation in the studio is record directly on the video, and the featuring he have on this compilation is on the video, is KJ and Seron, and just one track is that the name is DX7. I record Oli Bruin after the video, for this compilation. This guy is a legend. Is in the beginning it's difficult to work with us, but he's a really big guy and a really big inspiration for me, and it's difficult for learn. But now he want a new song. He called me for work on the new song. Yeah, I want to learn the old school stuff, the old school engineering or tricks. But I just work for the future, you know. Yeah, I'm listening hip hop, R&B, New Jack. Funk, but the hip hop is the new funk, you know, is the blues, and after the soul, and after the funk disco, and after New Jack, and after is the hip hop. Hip hop is I don't know the word for that, but c'est la suite en français. Yeah, the Dr. Dre's West Side is more inspiration. The inspiration is the funk music. Is Bootsy Collins, is George Clinton, P-funk music, exactly. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm working on the cover and the picture and the style and everywhere on the cover. And just for one cover, Funk Delight, I'm work with friend for the cover, and it depends for the DX7 cover. I'm work with the photograph Raphaël Anet from France, good friend of mine. But for the artwork, it's me. Yeah, for sure.
Michael Jackson.
Baby. I'm not really understanding with your question, but I've never shaved my mustache, and it's not for the style. The mustache, I have mustache. When I have the hair, I have the mustache, you know. And if I stop the music or if I don't make music, I have a mustache. Mustache is mine. And before now the mustache guy, more people have the mustache is in the style of the world now. But in the beginning, I have a mustache. It's not on the fashion style stuff. It's mine, just mine. It's not for the style. Not really. Yeah, a little bit on the groove, but not really. I'm playing techno music just for fun, for play music with a friend. But I play for funk, for real vibe, for more vibe, more. I don't know, the word is is difficult for me, but maybe you understand. Every time I don't have the really I don't have the really time for visit Taiwan, and I don't know really Taiwan, but I'm living 3 days or 4 days in Thailand before Taipei, and I really like Thailand. It's more calm and more typical, and the people is really cool. Yeah, but Taipei, I don't know. Just one day every time. It's too short for see the city. Just see the 101. Wow. Rush Music is my family now. I see Césaire, the boss of the Rush Music, and I see Césaire for the first time on the club in Paris. The name is Wanderlust, and he know I'm playing music, and he coming with me, and hey man, I like your stuff, and I don't remember this time really good, but after he sent me a message on Facebook, hey guy, I like your music, and I want out your stuff on my label Rush Music. And me, on this time, I don't know Rush Music. I don't know what is this label. But I'm not connected with the world on this time. And me, I don't have more fun. I don't have my music is not go in the world. I just put on the SoundCloud, and he listened my song on SoundCloud, and me, for sure, I want to have this track on your label. And after that, I see my phone, my iPod, and I have Cherokee, I have Darius, and this is crazy. This is on Rush Music, and this track I listened before that. It's crazy. But for the beginning, when you speak Rush Music, I don't know what it is, but when I'm playing on the like 4 months or 5 months ago on the big venue in Paris, Cherokee played this song. I know this song, I like it. And after the show, she, what this song? This is your song? And after I'm connected the Rush Music and Cherokee, and wow, I like this label. It's really that music I like. And sorry, I'm speak more. And now Rush Music is my family for sure, papi. new funk music, for sure. I am the funk of Rush music, and FKJ is more soul and funk music too, and you have other, but my parts is funk music. In Paris is Sully Melody or Crocodisc, but it's long time I don't buy a disc here, but in Paris the vinyl is back now, but for like 10 years it's died and every shop is died, but it's 10 years ago you have a really good shop in Paris for vinyl, but now it's more fashion and expensive, but now you have old school stuff, old school shop, stay the Crocodisc and Sully Melody, Paris. Don't listen every stuff now, just make music for you. Make music for you. You want speaking, you want no listen, no reproduce the trap music, no reproduce every music, just make your music. Thanks for Westside Love, baby, and you dance society.